Wait, you get chicken, then you get the duck side and back?
Yeah.
You know, master, senior farmer. Wait, you get fish, you get chicken, now get ducks.
I get sheep. This is the duck side.
The ducks then they swim.
Yes. We'll do this. And hopefully in the next couple of months, I can see, and then honey will do.
You do honey back?
Yes. The honey in there now, as you can see. You see that they fly self. Very huge. These are the biggest honey farm what they try to do.
The honey then inside there?
Yes.
So if the honey then can't attack me?
No, they're not going to attack you now because then tame them until you unbug them, then they will go wild. But as it is now, then they
will fly right outside there?
Then they're out. Now they're going to pick. Wait,
the honey then they out in the world?
Yes, when you go on the other side, you go see some of them.
No, I don't want to go near honey.
Yes, sir. As you can see, they fall them.
So the goats then, the sheep then, the fowl then,
yes.
The ducks then. This is an animal farm, you get?
A mixed farming. I like farmers say you train young people. They kind of think that people can study agriculture and they can study aquaculture, but they don't get to do the practical. And until they get to a place like this, as you can see right here, you get the quarter for the boys then.
So residents there about?
Yes.
Please subscribe to my new YouTube channel Doe Don Clin and hit the notification bell to be notified for new videos.
Like you did live.
Yes.
Alright, so I come visit the Minister of Youth in Farm and it just take me in a Largo. So Minister.
So this is the hatchery for the catfish. As you can see now, we see over 10,000. This is not just 3 weeks old. As you can see, this other one, these are called fingerlings. These are called fingerlings. The big ones. You know. So if you take if the big one they don't eat, so then they eat the small one then. So you need for the sorting. You can see here's another one. 5 days old.
5 days?
5 days old. As you can see, you get thousands of them now. And here, we call it the dark room.
The dark room?
The dark room. You can see another one now. The dark room now. But do the spawning.
What's in that spawning?
Spawning now where you bring the male, the female eggs. You see the male and don't drop. They create 10,000 eggs.
10,000 eggs are there.
Yes. So you give a take after 4 days, then you pull this out and bring them out there. So you know really probably catch it. You know, from here, as you can see. We call this one Green Adventure.
What's that the farming name?
Green Adventure.
Green Adventure.
All over. I mix farming. As you can see, we get.
You get goats there all sides.
Yeah. As you can see, a big house that hosts over 200 goats.
You get 200 goats there over. We go past there. Okay, so
These are the veterinary doctors.
You know veterinary?
Yes.
What's the name? Who's that you work?
The Ministry of Agriculture.
Ministry of Agriculture?
Yeah.
And are they trained? Who's that you go school?
Well, I attend Jala.
You go Jala?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you work now for be veterinary?
Yeah, I work for the ministry almost 5 years now. They work.
5 years?
Yes. We are
you not get holiday?
Huh?
We not get holiday?
We don't get holiday because we deal with life.
So we holiday no day. I feed salon, president too for feed salon. Thank you.
This is the farm manager, Mohamed.
Hello, Mohamed. How are you?
I'm good.
How's the farm?
Praise be to God, sir.
What did you study?
I'm in agribusiness management. I study. They have studied agronomy as well. Then I don't come study this aquaculture practical. I
Practical.
the badge for enter again for doing MSc in aquaculture as well.
So you do agric now, sir?
Jala University.
You study you basic na Jala,
Yes.
and then you can get work through minister,
Yes, sir.
and now you go do masters back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. How the farm? Okay.
Local chicken. This is 100% local chicken we are doing.
When I get organic chicken,
100%.
then just they do wild roaming, then they eat na
See them, I get thousands of them inside. Yeah, for the fall. You can see them now, they see them.
My left are open. Then they come out and they go inside the bar. Wait, you get chicken, then you get the duck side and back?
Yes.
You know, master senior farmer. Where you get fish, you get chicken, now get ducks.
I get sheep. This is on the duck side.
The ducks then they swim.
Yes. We'll do this. And hopefully in the next couple of months, I can see, then the honey will do.
You do honey back?
Yes. The honey in there now, as you can see. You see they fly itself. Very huge. These are the biggest honey farm we have to do.
The honey then inside there?
Yes.
So if the honey then can't attack me?
No, they're not going to attack you now because then tame them until you unbug them, then they will go wild. But as it is now, then they
will fly right outside there?
Then they're out. Now they're going to pick. Wait, the
honey then they out in the world?
Yes, when you go on the other side, you go see some of them.
No, I don't want to go near honey.
Yes, sir. As you can see, they fall them.
So the goats then, the sheep then, the fowl then,
yes.
The ducks then. This is an animal farm, you get?
A mixed farming. I like farmers you train young people. They generally thinking that people can study agriculture and they can study aquaculture, but they don't get time to do the practical. And until they get a place like this, as you can see right here, you get the quarters for the boys then.
So residents there, about?
Yes. You get the quarters for the boys then. And
by the way, the security really good because where I can, I tell them say I don't can. I say a chief minister. They say I have to call the boss first.
Yes.
And they say no. They say a chief minister. I say no, you not agree.
Well, now for that security, biosecurity.
It's a good thing.
Stuff.
It's a really.
As you can see, we do irrigation.
Wait, so you get your irrigation?
Yes, these are sprinklers. Them who does the test. They will install like hundreds, parts of them across here.
This is not for the
grass.
The grass for
and
feed.
The cow then they eat.
So you get cow then back?
As well, yes.
So now the sheep then get name?
Yes. So now like 40 hectares fenced.
Fenced?
Yes. 40 hectares right around fenced. Now they don't release the goats in. Then they right now the wild.
So the goats then, they don't come out and they out now the bush.
40 hectares. As you can see, here now the
and then they get side for drink if they want drink.
Water. You get light now 24 hours. You get water.
You get light, water.
24 hours. So you now for the goats then. Yeah, for the sheep. Over and on the side when they're born, the parents, the mommy then the picking them now over there in the day.
The goats and the sheep then they fed?
Oh well, like you get their own challenges then though, as you can see here. Yeah, now the yeah, now for the sheep then. Like the goats and now they put them.
So this is raised. So where the goats then do them business, they fall down under.
So these are the standard way of constructing a goat house. Okay. 6 feet height. You know, because the smell, the shit, when you drop.
And then they go down there. And then they go to them. So the goats then, the sheep then serve that then hygiene.
Very. As you can see, it's a standard house built for them. You know, water not a problem at all.
Water they all sign for them. They know outside the water they
24/7.
If they want for sprinkle and they go.
I'm thinking at the promotion they go see
then
10,000 fish at the pond.
Then get swimming pool.
The goats?
The goats and the sheep.
They get water enough and they get a whole lot. I think I spent me back then I did before yesterday on the 24th. On Christmas Day I did as well.
So you get lodging for the farmer then?
Yes, you get that.
And I really like that the other farmer guy they go back to school.
Yes,
so then they do.
Most of them they go to school. Most of them they go to school. Like Mohamed and somebody will do agriculture. You know, I've get up from the National Youth Service.
Oh, interesting.
Yes,
so it go National Youth Service and where he graduate, you take and apply.
Yes. It costs like 5 million per month.
Wow.
They get another boys and that one they don't go to school, they cost like 2 million.
Yeah.
You know?
So how many people then you get
you get like 13 staff.
You get 13 people then where you did a great job for.
But when you go at the right outside they produce fish feed, produce animal feed, and they get the big tanks and that. Mohamed, go feed for me back. By the asking pound. Yes. So what? The fish and
so you take the fish then from the baby there. Now from the spawning, from the egg. So you don't need for imports anymore?
No, the spawning are 4 days. You take them, put them and they go out. They spend 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you bring them outside here. Now yeah, then they go to fingerlings. 1 fingerling. So they sell them from farm price.
So wait, so on this, when you begin this farming first, you been they fly then come on
Yes.
Ghana.
All the bush stock, my Ghana pull them.
The stock na Ghana then come on.
The bush stock, the parent stock there.
But today you they do one yeah.
The entire Man River Union, not to me then they buy.
The entire Man River Union.
Liberia, Guinea, Sierra Leone, except for Ivory Coast, now then they buy. So that why wouldn't they pull them and now then they cover them. They spend 2 weeks now, they become fingerlings. And from fingerlings, you begin sell now. So it's I don't see the bush stock.
But
tomorrow they harvest 2 tons.
I did tell President say we can say na cabinet you na accountant. Now you na farmer or you na farmer.
Yes.
Well, they can't change you nomenclature.
So when they come at the acting pond start with the fish where they get natural habitat. They go faster there. We get 4 types of ponds. We get concrete tank. We get acting pond. We get the cage system. And we also get the polythene.
How big the farm there?
The bank is 40 hectares.
40 hectares.
Yes, 40 hectares fenced. And
so all to the far edge fenced. The entire
farm fence. So I make the goat, the sheep, all in at the while. 6 o'clock, when they knock the bell, they all the wrong kind.
When they knock the bell, all the sheep in the car.
6 o'clock, goat, sheep, cow.
All around the car.
These are full of fish. Then they pump water. One of them, they pump water direct. Now the tanks them. You got like 3 of these sets. You know, and then they do the sprinkler them as well. Careful. Yes.
Oops. Ooh. It's not way inside farm.
Yeah, so these are Atem pond.
Atem pond, what's that mean?
Now, a pond inside the fish them and the natural habitat they play. Each and every one of them will have about 2 kg.
The fish there, there.
Yes. As you can see them.
The fish then, the goats them back there around the fish there. Whoa.
Yeah. So.
Now we Minister of Youth, so now I get this farm here. You get what it? 7 tons of fish. These then they over on the back.
All the tanks will be full up with fish.
Oh, you get the tank fish, then you get the.
When take 2 weeks, when there's some fingerlings now, then some juvenile will go them open up for go out. That's if I go out section. That's if I go out section. But when you get customer for buy fingerlings, now you sell. But you sell for all other small farmers then.
And then fish there, how when you ready for harvest, then how you harvest them back?
Yes, you harvest.
What's in the pipe there for?
The pipe now, dry season when you get overflow.
Ah, the overflow, come on.
Yes. Then another one.
How many weeks before you harvest every time?
For now, anybody, I got over 13 ton fish.
You know, say we can now, thanks to President Bill, with the exports now na China, yeah? This now, whose brand this? Who's catfish? Yes. All 2 na catfish?
Catfish, you get tilapia outside.
This now been a lunchtime or this now extra chop than they eat?
Extra.
Would I tell me thank you later because would they get extra chop today?
And they feed them 2 times. Yes.
So this then the gladdy.
Very. You get about 5,000.
You get bored then, yeah.
Everything they inside.
This now nature.
You know.
How many days inside? Huh?
Yeah, you get about 4,000 inside.
How many weeks then they spend inside the Athens pond?
So yeah, like 6 months.
6 months.
From that time.
From Obayanda.
So
yeah.
6 months.
6 months and they take care.
Table size. Like 1 kg. That was just under like 4 months. That was just under 6 months.
So now they then ready.
6 months. So when you go upside back, all about 8 tanks they don't due for sale.
So how? So they go so?
Yes.
So how you they now? So the goats they all inside the place here. I see them they pass. Now by paddy then they walk. Huh?
So but this is this and I always tell young people there's money in the bush. I'm making money there.
Evidently.
You're surprised to know first week January, I think they come on Liberia for come by 5,000 fingerlings.
Really?
5,000 fingerlings is about 140 million. That's about $6,000.
Yeah.
And regularly they can come. So now that means you see huge production they go on now. Now they with the produce. The police are above that.
Oh, wait till they say that thanks to President, now with the export directly to China.
Yes.
So you don't begin look into exporting this to China.
Yeah, well, even with market now very huge.
Ah, so even just for supply the markets now.
Guinea, Liberia.
Okay.
And you know, I go happy when I.
But no, I think it's the right approach. Is that more feed, we self need the protein.
Remember there was a time somebody go and say fish no, you know.
But these days, fish, nobody now go say fish no.
Let's get over 8 tons, within 9 pounds. Make get over 20 tons.
But the interesting part too is, you know, so we go for off season. Then the lock, I think in February, fishing the lock, and that month they, we need for supply fish. So you need for work with the Ministry of Trade and Ministry of Fisheries for make sure say the fish then way they make that fisheries with the pond and with all that coordination they from a business point of view, right?
Yes. So, I mean, we'll get some of the challenges they move with the fish from that we cost very high.
Sure.
Now at the use 40%, 60% imported. You see the goats from all over.
Ah, the goats there.
And we use so these are not ourselves. Another one we sell. We call them fingerlings.
These then are for sale.
Fingerlings. You see this side. You see this side.
Woo.
This we call them fingerlings.
Another
one we sell 12,000.
I see. So people then.
Yes, for other farmers.
Other farmers then.
Yes, as you can see, you get hundreds of them inside. You know.
Now then they can by weight or not by quantity?
No, you get fingerlings, you get juvenile.
Mm-hmm.
We have a good stock. I'll tell you about the 4 types of ones. This is polythene. In the next couple of weeks, you'll begin to produce polythene.
Yeah, for.
Yeah, I'm hammock.
This now. This now where they find the family. Yeah. Let me say, relax while you coming, yeah. Now you video me.
Yeah, as you can see me, Chief Minister. Today I get the opportunity for receive my own brother, my own boss, who is the Chief Minister, now my own farm. As you can see, now you don't can't rest on my hammock. After don't come on at the duck farm, don't come on at the sheep farm, or don't come on at the country fall farm. They actually. It's just a place to rest, and the house also there. That's the farmhouse. That's not the farmhouse. So you see, that one we call them bootstock. My bootstock is there. We really bootstock. That's the parent stock. What we they use for spawning. This one will begin newly. Bootstock for there above 1 year. And the older it is, the more it becomes expensive. The more your eggs then become strong.
Hello. Whose language no left there? Whose language in the area? Whose one a fish language?
I just say
then I chop right in the area.
See, when you go, I go luckily we go to the other tanks at the street.
Yeah, I see them.
You get like 15 tanks with full of fish, like you see them full of pain. Full of pain. So this on the farm, Green Adventure, and we went to the manager, I just the operation staff.
Sure. Now you have to pay you?
Now you have to pay me, yeah. Well,
you have to collect 2 salary. No, you have to. No, you can't. As long as you declare you assets there.
Yes.
So not so.
I'm a farmer, and
and there's the business.
That's it.
So it's not a UF king.
I'm the operation staff. You get the other staff then. This is not the farm.
So if you can't work, you have to write a query.
Well,
or you can work. You're a good diligent staff.
You get the time sheet.
You drive at the end, huh? Or now you can drive?
Yes.
Now you the drive?
Yes, me the drive, yes.
Oh no, I've been one for you so that we'll go
yes,
inside your motor car.
Yes, not going to inside start then.
No, more easy motor car.
Yeah, me not car driver and I'm the drive.
Well, who go drive your motor car?
Then they're on holiday. You know?
So this is like the farmhouse?
The farmhouse is...
The goats then can visit you at the farmhouse?
Yes.
Alright.
This is the farmhouse.
And then you get the staff quarter back?
I get the staff quarter, you know. they get the factory and they explain.
Factory?
Yes.
What's in the happy at the factory?
So they produce animal feed.
You know, they produce feed now.
Yes, for animals. So they also produce for the fish.
Hi, goats.
Yeah.
What's it like living with animals on the farm?
That was my greatest moment. So I still still for finish my house.
Okay.
Yes. And
it's chilled in
that's
there.
it. Because even with that AC, you see the place cold.
Sure, exactly.
When you're doing at the bush, this is what you
exactly without AC.
You know, the hustling and bustling at the city.
How many rooms?
It's a 3 bedrooms.
I guess so. So I see.
You them each one.
Yeah, they can't take one room. Tell the beginner and say.
Yes, it's beginning.
Say their uncle.
At the master bedroom, they stay here in the bedroom. You know.
Tell the beginner and say their uncle they take one room.
They take one room. You know. I always tell people the money
it's very cool.
Yeah, without even AC.
Yeah.
You just come in. You see how very cool. You know. Mohamed, check out a people on camera. Yes.
I think it's such a
Really great.
and a long distance, so that was for don't work.
200 meters.
Well, you drive, come meet me. Oh my, go before.
Okay.
Just go at the junction. Junction, yeah. Miliwaka. How for use this camera? Okay, at the turn so. Okay, so no, may go. Why they wait for me? Dust me. Go, me go. So you not go dust me. May go na junction. So we carry out today to the Minister of Youth in Farm, and I come because they don't talk about this farm here. Plenty tend to me. And President Bill say we for feed salon, and feed salon means say all man for contribute, all man for get involved, all man for get engaged. So the Minister of Youth, Mohamed Orman Bangura, we come on na Tonkolili, you get farm na na Largo, Largo, Abu district, and I think it's a 40 hectare fenced. You get fish, you get cow, you get goat, you get sheep, you get chicken, you get ducks, and they produce enough where they make, they employ people them and meet some of the staff, they engage with the ministry staff as well, and people then they come out oversee for can buy. So now they can't drive me. And this dust, yeah, it's okay. No, you go behind, go behind. See, I get luck. That the minister already drive me.
Because the family come.
I get luck.
Yes, boss. So, in this, imagine one goat like the ducks, and one duck they give you, we lay eggs, 15 eggs.
One duck they lay 15
eggs.
People that can eat duck's eggs.
Okay, there's Chinese market for duck.
Really?
Chinese market. Again, Chinese they buy ducks.
They like ducks.
Yes.
Okay.
No, the ducks themselves.
Okay.
You know, so another one day we they do now, and though there are challenges because nobody never raised 1,000 ducks in this country. Nobody not ever do them.
Sure.
Yes.
And you have?
I have 1,000.
Now more honey than they are. So yes. I forget. They also raise honey.
Yes.
Why they said the honey then they pass.
Yeah, then they're all over. I
know if honey bets
be successful in aquaculture in this country.
Some people, Abraham John said elect duck. So Abraham John that for can
yes, Abraham.
So if you want for buy duck, how then go buy duck?
Now the put stock them with the type of produce until you get the 18. 15 of them get fish inside. And now that's what they do today.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. We'll come back to you there.
Okay, we don't come, Minister, you drive fine, you do well.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So now we kind of how do you call them ponds there?
Now they go out.
They grow out ponds.
Because when you position now, after they don't do it, now we bring them. Okay. Give me. As you can see.
We're at the main highway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As you can see, we are not sitting here. So you come here, sir.
Mm-hmm.
If you see all them ponds here full,
Uh-huh.
yeah, get tilapia. Then very shy.
Look at the see one over under.
You want them. And here.
And these then ready for harvesting?
Oh yes. Like I told you, you have to get tilapia as well now.
Mm-hmm.
Tilapia have fish very shy.
Mm-hmm.
And all that.
Then they shame?
Yes, yes. That then just different stuff.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, solar they run. Water they run 24/7.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes. And here you also get catfish. Let's see them.
Mm-hmm.
So most of them time for feed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they know. They say this is not tease you, they tease them.
Yes.
Alright, so all Tego, these are how many?
This is red tilapia.
Mm-hmm.
15.
15.
15 pounds.
Different.
2 tons.
You get red tilapia, you get
Yes.
catfish,
And
you get regular
black
tilapia.
You get catfish as well.
Yeah. Alright, no more you go to eat down.
Ah, okay. I be only see the one we get the big one then. Okay.
I like that you get this coconut tree where you plant before then.
They all will take in there.
Mm-hmm.
Then go to you see them?
Yeah, they see the goats there. Oh no, that ain't a board. Nah, then self they can. You get the picking sheep there. Oh.
So that's it, here at the factory.
Uh-huh.
We produce everything. We produce the feed, we produce fingerlings, we produce animal feed. Yeah.
I mean, they say, manager, that they congratulate you that where I can, even where I say, chief minister, you say no, pass will call you boss, not so. And then they for do. Yeah? But a better way, you do that day. So if other person can elect them one, do one next day, say, even when chief minister can agreement can sign. Is
exactly.
Yes,
For biosecurity.
Yeah,
somebody can drop something.
It's important. It's important. It's important.
Yeah. Thanks so much, Chief Minister.
Good. Thank you. Congratulations.
I will spend most of the time there, boss.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for today.
So whose message you get for other young man? You're a minister of youth, yeah?
Yes.
And you're an entrepreneur back.
Yes.
What's now your message where you get to young people in this country?
Yes. Before even being appointed as a minister, I don't know no minister do much. Like nobody. I believe in against self-esteem that people build a one being. And with this farming, with agriculture, the money within a bush, you know they get out of the city. Imagine they sell one fish will just go for 2 weeks. 3 weeks they sell on 12 millions. And imagine the net profits when you add all the cost them. It's huge, but it's a science that you never get right. It's not something that you just do on the blackboard or on the classroom, but when you do the practical aspects of farm, it makes it easy. I take this opportunity for talk to every young Sierra Leonean for no say, you get so much potential. Like now the government itself, they pay young people and for 1 year, whosoever, for as long as you're a graduate, you do agriculture, you support feed salon, or they support you for 1 year. And after 1 year, you get the opportunity for starting your own farm. And so many opportunities, FSRP gets so many opportunities, Ministry of Agriculture, but the passion I get for the among we first. You get for believing in agriculture, believe in animal husbandry, believe in what you do, then you will can get the necessary results. Thank you very much, and thanks to President Bio for the opportunity where he give me for serve, where he give me say yes, agriculture, him believe and pass me and you. And the level at which they see, get the passion for them, we'll not get no option but for just support. And with this, I can retire today as a minister because the money what they get,
I may retire.
You know,
thank you. Well, I don't see waiting it mean for do development work in this country and waiting President Bill Simo they do.
See, all of this man here, full with fish.
This man here is an example of the big five. Number one, feed salon, they do feed salon here. Number two, human capital development. You read the people the way they employ. You read Ministry of Agriculture.
Yeah, not just one. We get my book as well.
You got that farm there. Number three, youth employment. You see the work where they happen here. Number four, public sector architecture. You work with Ministry of Agriculture. pipe technology across all spectrum. Thank you very much, and thank you, Minister.
Thank you. God bless.
All right,
God bless
bye-bye.
Australia.
Please subscribe to my new YouTube channel Doe Don Clin and hit the notification bell to be notified for new videos.